Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Jessica Lynn Original Studio, and today we're going to do some fun stuff with profile pictures. Now, I absolutely love Canva, and I've gotten such wonderful feedback from all of you on some of the work that I've already done. So I'm really excited to continue this creative education series where we're going to go ahead and continue to play around in Canva and see how we can use this for not only social media, but also for your personal profile pages, for potentially resume, maybe LinkedIn, etc. So let's go ahead and take a look. So down below, I did put a link to Canva. If you want to sign up for that, we do earn a small commission, which I thank you if you do choose to do that. I appreciate it. It helps support our channel. Right now, they are running, if you want to buy the full version, it's $120 for the year, which is a great price, considering that you get a lot of social media tools. So if you are thinking about starting a small business, if you are thinking about branding anything, I highly encourage this, because you may say, well, okay, if I pick this, everybody's going to have it. Everything is 100% customizable. And if you go with just the free plan and there's the little crown, you have to continuously pay upgrades for that. So totally up to you. But today I thought, let's look at Facebook profile pictures. So I went ahead and typed that in, and this is some of the templates that they came up with. I mean, this is pretty darn cool. These are all really fun. Let's just take a look through. Kind of reminds me, I don't know if any of you are watching Netflix, you know, the circle. It reminds me of those kind of. This one's a very cool profile. So lots of them. So here's the cool part. You say, you know what, I want something that shows that I'm artistic and fun and not quite so stuffy, just a big picture of me, but yet still shows my brand and who I am. Go out and make your own creative Facebook profile picture, Instagram. You know, you can literally create one and then put it across all of your platforms. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's pick one that's fun here. This is fun. This is pretty. I like the gold leaf. That's fun. And the best part about it is that you can create one today, have it uploaded for this, couple of weeks, and then say, oh, it's a new year, January. Maybe make one every month to go with your profile so that everything, corresponds and works together. So let's pick something simple to start with. I really like this one though. It's really cool. All right, let's see what we can do. All right, so I don't know if that pink shading and the purple is actually part of his picture or not. Might be. So if all I want to do is say, I just want to put my picture in there, that's cool. You're going to go to uploads, and if you have a picture stored in here, totally fine. If not, that's okay. You can actually go in and upload something from your desktop, or if you have it on a drive or something like that. So here, I'll show you. If we go upload pictures, I could actually go out and find one, whatever I've got. I could go out to pictures, whatever the case may be. I could go out here and say, oh, here, we're going to pick this one. I don't know, just ideas, right? And I can import that in. Now you can see when I hovered over it, don't love that one. Let's try something else. All right, how about this one? Literally all I'm doing is dragging from the storage photo bin over to the picture. And that cool filter is on his picture. That's why it looked so much cooler. But not bad. Now if I go, well, I want to crop this a little bit. If I double click on my picture, you can see these 4 little dots open up. You can click on those and drag. Okay. And that'll make the circle bigger. Now, let me show you something really cool. Oop. Where did my image go? Well, let's undo that. There we go. Okay, so if I say, well, I want to make me larger, not the circle. If I double click on me, see how it makes like a gray shadowed box? Now I'm going to expand the photo and see it's the same, but I was able to adjust that. Okay, super easy. From here, if I say, ooh, I want some other elements, I could go into elements and I could add some swirly things. I could go in and add a different background. Let me just drag and drop that in. I can delete whatever I don't want in there. The thing I thought that was the coolest, maybe I don't like that anymore. Again, I can see all the different video backgrounds. I can see picture backgrounds. There's a lot of really cool photos. So let's go out to photos. And again, the big thing you want to watch for is that it is not one with like a little crown on it, because those you have to pay an upgrade to use. So maybe I put that nice, oh yeah, you don't see it very well. Maybe I can shift it. So I double click, I can adjust that wine so you see it. Looks like you're gonna pour it on my head. It's kind of funny. So again, you can pick all types of different pictures and patterns. You could change this out depending on what your, what is your branding. Maybe I own a garden center and I really want to showcase something like that. For me, I enjoy art, obviously drawing, painting, creative, digital, etc. So maybe I go with something a little more like this. And then I come back in and I say, okay, well, I want another circle. You can see there's all types of really fun circles that I could go and throw around. Just ideas, okay? Not that this is perfect by any means, but just playing around. Paint splat, maybe. Nope, I don't want it to take over the whole picture, so there we go. We'll just click on it and it becomes its own separate little entity that I can right click and move backwards. I don't like that, so we're going to delete it. But again, super fun. So let's go back and we're going to try that again. So we're going to look up Facebook profile pictures. So again, look, I picked this one just for fun, but look at all these fun shapes, different backgrounds, lots of texture. This reminds me a little bit of Disney and the purple wall. Right? That's fun. So let's go back to that same photo, which is part of my uploads. We're going to drag, oh, look at it, had a filter on it. That's fun. Okay, so we'll drag that in there. I'm going to click on this, make my picture just a little bit larger. Let's see how this one looks. The filter's a little weird. It's a little purple filter on there. Right? So you can kind of play around with that. Again, I thought Disney. And then from here, you can say, okay, what else do I want to add? So do I want to add some stars? Well, now I can go out and search for those. I can toss a couple of these in. However I feel. And let's say I love this, right? And I'm like, okay, this is absolutely perfect. Look, it's got a little magic going on. That's fun. Let's Control C to copy, Control V to paste, so I can add more. Let's say that's what we're gonna go with, okay? I could click on this share. We're gonna go to download, change it to a JPEG because it'll load faster. We're gonna make it a little smaller because that's pretty big. That'll be a lot to upload. And then we're gonna download. It'll come back, it goes into your download folders, and that's what it looks like. So super fun, super easy. The other one I want to show you really quick is if you go to Facebook profile photos. Now remember the last one said pictures, this one says photos. I almost like the ones that say photo best. Look at these. These include all kinds of extra stuff, so you could use this really easily for like a company. These are really fun. I mean, this one's really cool looking. I mean, you can put your logo, it says, who you are, your information. This one's really fun. I really like this one though. As an artist, I kind of dig that. That's fun. So let's go take that one. All right, so here's this one. Look, it's got a funky kind of shape to it. I like it. That's fun. Let's go and upload my picture. There I am. Now, for me, because of the way I'm with my head, it's turned a little bit. So we're gonna, there we go. So you can see I can slide any of these things in and out as needed. Super fun. There, like that. That's fun. Although I kind of like it this color better. Let's see, where's that scribble? That's this one. See, there's the scribble. It even gives you all the matching colors. So see, it'll already say here, what are you looking to match? Which I think is awesome. I mean, that looks really cool. I like that a lot. That's cool. So again, from here, if you were going to go in, I could go on download. I could go on social media. So if I want to upload this right to Twitter, you can actually associate it to all these different social medias. If you've watched any of my previous videos, one of the things I talk about is actually being able to go in and schedule things. So let's say I made a promotional ad or something, or I said, oh, look, new profile picture, you know, I could actually go in and schedule that out on Twitter, Instagram, all of them actually, to hit at the same time so that my social media is kind of blanketed with all of the updates. So I think that's a really great thing. Now you only get the scheduler if you upgrade to the Pro. And what I like about that is that so much less stress, right? No having to download it out, move it here, do this, do that. You just create it, set it to be on the timer, and walk away. And that's it. So super fun. You can do versions of these out in the regular free version, so I would highly encourage you to go do it. Everybody's starting to create some fun and exciting profile pictures. And you know what? It's a new year. 2023 is coming. So why not go create something new and reinvent maybe who you were in 2022 to a new version of you for 2023. So I hope that this inspired you. Again, my videos are all about making small pieces, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this, I'd love to hear from you down below. What other things are you looking to learn how to do? Or if you have any questions, you know, you can ask down there as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you come back again. Take care, everybody.